Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this delicious garlic butter roasted chicken and potatoes. This meal is made in one pan. It's so easy and a great dinner idea. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. Add a whole lot of minced garlic to the chicken, then season with some dried thyme, dried oregano, and onion powder. Next, add a handful of freshly chopped parsley, then squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. Add some olive oil, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is very well mixed in, cover with a saran wrap, then let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours. You can also let this marinate overnight if you have the time. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to cut up some gold potatoes. Cut each potato into bite-sized pieces, just like these. Once all the potatoes are cut up, transfer them into a mixing bowl. Next, slice up an onion and add to the potatoes. Add some olive oil, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to transfer the potatoes and onions into a large pan. I'm using a 12-inch cast iron pan. Once your chicken has finished marinating, you're going to place them onto the potatoes and onion. Make sure you nestle the chicken into the potatoes. Once everything is assembled, we're going to add some slices of butter on top of each chicken. The butter is going to melt into the chicken and crisp up the outside. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken and potatoes into the oven to roast for an hour and 15 minutes. After about 50 minutes of roasting, if you notice the chicken is browning too quickly, you can lightly place a tin foil over the top to slow down the browning. And here is the final result. This will have your home smelling so good. The aroma has a nice garlic flavor and the butter makes the outside of the chicken so crispy. The butter mixes with the juices from the chicken to give a delicious sauce to enjoy with your chicken and potatoes. Before you serve this, let it sit for about 10 minutes. The chicken came out so tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. And the potatoes are so soft. If you guys would like to try this delicious chicken meal, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.